This is purely an entertainment channel, not a how-to channel. I'm new to turning, so if you see something, say something in the comments below. Hey, welcome back to the channel. And this episode, I'm going to try and make an extra hand, helping hand. I have this, I was going to say 2 pieces, but it looks like it comes in 3 pieces. Nice. So we're going to make a back scratcher, and it comes with this, I'm going to call it a pommel on the one end, and I guess this adapter for the hand that's going to go on the other end. I'm going to take this red oak bolster, however you would like to pronounce it. Tell me how you pronounce it in the comments below. We're going to make a stick, as my friend likes to say. The only thing a lathe is good for is making a stick. Well, let's get started. What do we want this thing to look like? So I could put some, that should be that side. So that'll be the threading. And then we're going to want to have a handle, roughly, scratch it, let's say to here. So we'll have as best we can, some type of a curve. Comes to a bead. Bead. And then we'll make a stick that might come to a flare or a bead, or I don't know. I'm not sure how we're going to do the end yet. That's basically it.
Some burning heat in, you can hear that whip cry from a mile away. Wasn't that a good day? Red guitar, purple haze, the band plays all really needed. How I needed, sing me back, mama, sing me back. 'Cause I'd give it all and more to that night.
Scarbios Rosa Scratcher. And just like that, we now have a back scratcher. Nice back scratcher. We got red oak, what I think turned out really nice. Look at the grain. I don't know if you can see that, it's a lot of shine going on with that OB shine juice, but that OB shine juice is kind of hiding some of that grain there. You can see it down here in the handle. It looks really nice. Anyway, the pommel, as I'll call it, because I don't know what else to call it at the moment, made it really tight to the point where I was practically threading it on, and then used some epoxy, some 5-minute epoxy, threw it on there, twisted it in, and it's pretty solid. It's not going to be coming off. For, you know, the weight of this, we're good. It's not going to come off. The threads on the end here, same thing. Drilled the hole, put the threaded insert in with epoxy, and I think that's going to hold. I can't imagine that's going to come out anytime soon. Overall, I really like this project, and I hope you did too. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and that notification bell. Thanks for giving me a turn on your screen, and we'll see you next week. Yeah. I gotta figure out what or how this is Oh, hello. Sorry, 3 pieces. That's cool. See how this turns out. That sucked. Because I don't know how that's going to turn out. Let's get this turned out. And do that again. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.